Hello sir, my name is Jethro Russell Basbas from 3rd year Block B, and in this video, I will recite the mission and vision and also the 3 core values. So first, start ko po sa vision. A leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and value-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principles-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. The 3 core values is uprightness, excellence, and passion. So next po sir is on what I learned in Net 101 subject last semester, which is my instructor is Sir Philip Michael Awanan. And ang natutunan ko po sa Net 101 is kung paano po gumawa ng LAN cable, which is need natin ng mga tools. Nakalimutan ko po kung ang tawag sa mga tools na yun. Then LAN cable, cable outdoor, then yung RG45. So first place, nag-cut po kami dati ng 6 na outdoor cable. Then bawat dulo, ginunting po namin yung parang balat niya kabilaan. Then in-arrange po namin yung mga kulay, which is may sinusunod po kaming kulay doon para gumana po yung wire. Then sinuksok po namin sa RG45. Then gumamit po kami ng parang plies na nakalimutan ko lang po talaga yung answer kung anong name ng tools. Then inipit po namin. Tapos after na gumamit din po kami ng tester, which is sinaksak po namin kabilaan para then inon namin kung pag umilaw po lahat, which is pwede siya or gumana siya. Then after nyan, ang natutunan ko pa po is about sa Cisco Packet Tracer, which is kung paano mag-edit. So like sample po, nag-edit po kami dati ng doon sa Packet Tracer about sa pinagawa niyo pong activity, which is nag-input po ako ng router, device like laptop, cellphone, and also TV, which is yung router naka-connect po sa diretso sa laptop. Then yung TV naman and also wifi is naka-connect siya, which is yung parang ganun. Pero sa laptop and router is straight po siya. So yun lang po sa Packet Tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. Next naman po is networking, which is yung need din lang po namin ng LAN cable na ginawa namin, tapos router or wifi, then 3 laptop po yun. So yung ang first po is sinaksak mo namin yung LAN cable sa router to laptop, then laptop to laptop, which is yung pinag-connect po namin doon is LAN cable din lang. So hanggang sa kailangan may kailangan i-edit doon or pwede may sa file manager dati po. Nakalimutan ko na po sir, pero yun po yung naaalala ko. So ayun lang po sir, madami po ako natutunan sa subject na yun, pero nakalimutan ko lang po, kaya hindi ko na po maalala or masabi. So thank you po sir sa panonood, and yun na po.